Hello happy souls, this is about Suzuki Max on revamp, and these are all the chapters which I categorized for you, and this video is exclusively about chapter 11 unboxing. In that we are in part 14 unboxing the battery clamp and the brake light switch. And coming to the first one, this is the battery clamp. The brand name is Mahadev Automobiles Somtex from New Delhi based company, and the price I bought is rupees 52 in near Chengalpattu, that is near Mahindra city, Tamil Nadu, and in the year 2022 I bought this. And when I bought the bike, it came with a plastic one. I don't know if it is a original one or replaced part, but after some reference I came to know this is the clamp is the original one. And this is the second thing, the brake light switch, and the brand name is Yuano Minda. The price is rupees 45. I bought this in Chennai, and in the year 2022 pricing. And it is a universal type. It comes with a spring inside it and the connector. And see you in another video.